All right, we're at Watercrest 309. If we were one floor up, it'd be 409. Get it?
Got it. Clean it.
Clean it. Hey, this owner's closet is unlocked, so now we know what one looks like.
Oops.
Carpet. And a linen closet here. So we got some windows in the side of the building, or the unit here. There's your view. From the side, you can see unit 310, the balcony next door. And that's from this window here. There's another window closer to the balcony. And I'm gonna show you the bedroom over here. And then we'll go out to the balcony to examine the view. Yeah, this unit is well kept, in good repair. Got another linen closet here. Okay, I know you want to see the view, so let's get to it. If you look back towards the 10 stack, that's what you can see. Building next door, and your balcony view to the right. That window right there is to unit number 308, and they have their shades drawn, but if they wanted to, they could see over here. It's very social. And then you have, at the railing itself, you can see here, you have a view of the hot tub area and the Gulf. See how much we can see looking the other way of the Gulf. If we come all the way to this edge and I lean out over the rail a bit, that's your view there. All right, whoever's watching this, hope this was informative. And if you have any questions, you know how to reach us. Contact information below.
Bye for now.